In this video I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of your HP OfficeJet 250 mobile all-in-one printer. This is a wireless printer. It can do copy, print and scan. It is a portable printer, that is a good thing. It is a rechargeable printer, so once you charge it you can take it anywhere and you can print with your smartphone, laptop or MacBook. So let's do the unboxing and the setup of this printer. This printer comes with the setup ink cartridges, black and tricolor, and the ink cartridge number is 62. This printer comes with the power cable and the battery pack, so that's a rechargeable battery. So once we remove the cover, you will get one starting booklet. Now the first step is to place the battery. To place the battery inside, just push it from this end and it will open. Now we have to install this lithium battery. So you will hear a lock sound from this side. Once it is installed properly, we can just place it here. So once you plug in the power cable, it will start charging the battery, and now we can start using the printer. Open this section. Display panel, there is a button here. If you press it from here, it will automatically come up. To close it, you have to press it down. Power button is here, so press it once and your printer will switch on. For the initial setup, we have to go to the display panel. This is a touch screen display panel. Select your language and confirm it. Select country of residence and press confirm. Select the first option, self managed. Next step is to install the setup ink cartridges. So it comes with a set of 2 ink cartridges. To install the setup ink cartridge, we have to lift this section. Once you lift this door, automatically the ink chamber will move and come to the side. Now we can remove this sticker. Take ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Place it under the lock. So just let it go here and then push the lock to lock it. Same with the black ink cartridge. These are the starter ink cartridges and you must install these so that the printer can start working. And once you install it and use it for some time, then you can place the regular ink cartridges. So place it here and then push the lock. Close this section and wait for the printer display panel to confirm. Paper tray is at the rear and you can load up to A4 size. Just place it here. Once you go to the main screen, so it's showing up genuine HP ink cartridges are installed. That's okay. And paper is already installed, so press OK again. So it's going to do the automatic alignment. So wait for the printer to print the page. It will display alignment is successful. In case it is unsuccessful for some reason, you can just reprint that page. Now click OK. Next step is to connect this printer with the home or office Wi-Fi network. So select the wireless setup. From this list, select your Wi-Fi network. Touch here and enter the password using this panel. Enter the password, click done and then press OK to confirm. Printer is successfully connected to the Wi-Fi network. Press OK. It will ask you to set up the web services. If you want, you can just do now or you can set up later. Select auto updates for your printer. Click on the continue. You can select if you want to use it for home or business or for personal use and then click on the confirm. Press OK. So you can select no or yes. Click on the no. Click on the next. Click done. You will see the main screen of your printer and we are ready to use this printer for copy, and we can also do the printing and scanning using the Wi-Fi setup. So I'm going to use my smartphone to connect this printer. Download the HP Smart app from the App Store. In this app we have to add the printer. Click on the plus button on the top, or you can just go to the front and click on the setup or add printer. Select the second option, already connected to network. Select HP OfficeJet 250 mobile series printer. Instantly it will add up the printer and we are ready to use this printer. It also displays estimated level of ink. So let's do the copy, print and scan test. To do a copy, we have to lift this section up. So let's do a copy. So you have to place a page facing down and then slide it here. You will get a message on the screen that the printer document is installed. And now click on the copy icon. So go to the home screen, click on the copy, select document and select if you want to do the black or color. Copy is done. Let's do the scanning. For scanning you have to place a page again facing down. Place it here. Now go to your smartphone and select printer scan option. If you want, you can increase the DPI and then click on the scan. Scan is done and it is successfully transferred. So this way we can do the scanning. Let's do the printing. For printing you can select any document or any photo. For example, this one. When you give a print command, make sure your printer is showing up here and then click on the print button. You can close this section. Print quality is great. Using the HP Smart app makes it very easier to use the printer. In case you do not have the home or office Wi-Fi network, and if you want to use it when you are traveling somewhere, then you can use the inbuilt Wi-Fi of the printer, and that is known as Wi-Fi Direct. If you want to know how to do the Wi-Fi direct setup and how to use that, you can also watch my video on that. So that's the complete setup of the printer. So we just unboxed it, installed the battery, plugged in the power cable, then we installed the ink cartridges, we have done the alignment, and then we did the wireless setup with the home or office Wi-Fi network, and then we installed it in the HP Smart app in an iPhone for wireless printing and scanning. Once your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network, the blue light will remain stable. This is the orange light for the battery power, so your printer's battery is being charged. Once it is charged, you can use it without power cord, and that's the power button and that's the light of that. Thanks for watching.